Hi, and welcome to a new section of this course. So in this section, we're going to apply everything from the previous section. And to do that, we're going to tie it all together with a script. In this case, a file sync script. So what does a file sync script do? So a file sync script will copy new files from the source folder to a destination folder. It will replace modified files in the source to the destination folder. It will replace modified files in the destination with files from the source, and it will remove files in the destination that do not exist in the source. So the way we're going to approach this script writing is the first thing we're going to do is write pseudocode. So pseudocode is a way of writing code without actually using code. It's basically a description in plain English or close to it. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to actually write the script and we're going to run it. And the learning piece in this section, the new concept we're going to be adding, is adding parameters to our scripts so we can run them without having to hard code any values that shouldn't be, such as our source and destination folders. So you can run it from anywhere and synchronize any two folders together without having to hard code the paths in your script. And then we're just going to go back over everything we worked on. So let's do it.